So here we are at the workshop. The running water works here, and the way down is other side. How do we know this is working? You have to make sure the first aid kits are working. I have a few golf buggies here, and there's running water again. And over here, this is where I'll be working. There's a golf buggy. I think it moved a little bit. We have a working fan here and 2-3 cabinets. So the plan today is 3D scan the space. We'll first turn on the light here so I can see shit. 4 kilo. We have 130 kilowatt and outgoing compartment. We have a lot of power. Here's a video of that. Mm, 40 amp, a lot of power here, so very good. And over here we have our workbenches. It's 2 workbench, 3, a golf buggy, a few cabinets of stuff, and there used to be like this motorcycle mass convert. Wow, this was really ambitious. This was like maybe 2017 that time. I'm really not sure when was this. They should stamp everything they print out so people in the future can find out what's wrong. So the plan is put an aircon like over there that bend out behind the thing, and move this buggy off the way to 3D scan the place first. And over there it's I don't know, I think there's like an engine testing facility on the other side or something. They have like air, compressed air, and a lot of other stuff there. So that's out of bounds to me. Overall, I think it's pretty good place. Just need to tidy up, sweep the floor, and move all my stuff over. Oh, and these soldering station vents go up to the exhaust air duct, and this is the exhaust air duct as well. So it's very good.